What if your morning coffee is not just coffee, but sociology in a cup? When you lift a cup each morning, it feels personal, a habit, a taste, a moment of comfort. But sociology asks a deeper question. What invisible systems make that simple moment possible? The sociological imagination, a concept introduced by Wright Mills, encourages us to connect personal experiences to broader social structures. Your coffee is not just your choice. It is the result of global labor, trade networks, culture, and history. Start with the bean. Coffee is grown across regions in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. Farmers cultivate, harvest, and process the beans. Exporters transport them across oceans. Traders negotiate prices in global markets. Factory workers roast them. Baristas prepare them. What appears simple is actually a chain of thousands of people connected through economic and social systems. This idea echoes Karl Marx's analysis of global capitalism and the division of labor. The commodity hides the social relationships behind its production. When we drink coffee, we rarely think about the workers, inequalities, and power structures embedded in it. Meanwhile, Émile Durkheim argued that modern society depends on interdependence. The division of labor means individuals rely on countless strangers. Your morning routine depends on a global network of cooperation. Contemporary sociologist Anthony Giddens often used the coffee example to show globalization in everyday life. A simple beverage links agricultural systems, international trade, transportation infrastructure, and consumer culture. From another perspective, Pierre Bourdieu might ask why people prefer certain cafes, brands, or brewing methods. Taste, he argued, reflects social class and cultural capital. Coffee becomes a symbol of identity and lifestyle. Muslim sociologist Ibn Khaldun offered an earlier insight. In his theory of civilization, he argued that complex societies depend on cooperation and economic interdependence. No individual survives alone. Prosperity emerges through collective organization. So sociology of sociology asks a fascinating question. Why study society at all? Because everyday life hides extraordinary complexity. Your coffee connects farmers in Brazil, shipping routes across oceans, financial markets, cafe culture, and global consumption patterns. It links personal habit to historical systems. The paradox is simple. The more ordinary something appears, the more sociological it often is. So tomorrow morning, when you take your first sip of coffee, ask yourself one question. How many lives, institutions, and histories are contained in this cup? If this made you see the ordinary in a completely new way, subscribe and join this channel where we reveal the hidden sociology behind everyday life, one idea at a time.